Hello there, Megan here. I received one of my last, I think I have one more after this one coming, and then I'm done buying them for a long time because I have so many now. And this actually took a long time to get here. I ordered this is from AliExpress. I ordered it, I think April 15th, and today is May 22nd. So took like 5 weeks to get here. But I'm pretty sure that they spent about 2 of those weeks taping this package up. Because look at it. It is covered in tape. I don't even know how I'm gonna open this without cutting into the product. I'm a little nervous about it. I guess I'll go for the end. So we'll see. I believe, I mean, I know which one this one is because this is the last big one I've ordered. I ordered a small one after this. Well, not small, I think it was 30 by 40. So it's smaller than some of the other ones, but it's not tiny. I just do little snips in case you've never unboxed before. You want to be really careful. I'm always afraid to open these because I don't want to cut into a bag of drills or the canvas. So you don't want to just go hacking in there with your scissors or your knife or whatever. You want to kind of see the bag is right here. And it's like wet. Oh dear. So much for all the tape protecting it, huh? Let's see the damage. I hope it's not all wet inside. Oh, it stinks too. Oh my gosh, this is... Oh, you guys, it's all wet. I can just pull it out. Come on. Oh, I'm gonna have to wash my hands after this. Oh my gosh, it's disgusting. Ugh. What the heck? Oh my God, what did they do? Dunk it in water? Okay, this is gross. And the first time this has ever happened to me. Okay, well, I really hope the canvas didn't get wet. Look, like, you guys, my hands are all wet. I don't know if you can see it. Hang on, I'll get to that in a second. I just want to make sure that this isn't damaged. I need to get it out of this wet bubble wrap. It's like dripping. And it's probably been sitting in water for weeks, which is why it stinks. Oh my God. I'm speechless. I mean, you can see that the tape got wet. It's like cloudy. Okay, I just need to get this out of this wet bubble wrap, and then I need to dry off my table so that it doesn't get wet all over again. Wow, this is really bad. My initial reaction is, wow, this sucks. I hope okay, it feels okay. There's a lot of these creases, but hopefully that won't be a problem. I want to get this paper out so that I'm going to have to do inventory on this probably right away. Oh, okay, it was covered in plastic. Okay. Phew, that was close. Okay, so this was wrapped in this plastic sheet. So it seems like we're safe. Let's see about this package. Ugh. Is this China water? Oh my God. Okay, this one is wet on this side. Oh, and there's something different in there. Wow. Okay. So what I'm gonna do with this, look at that. Can you see how wet that is? I mean, this is insane. It's completely wet. All right, I need to step out really fast to get something to dry this. So hang on just a second. Okay, here I come. Sorry about that, you guys. Okay. Oh, yuck. Ugh. All right, so I'm going to put some paper towel down. I'm gonna have to do inventory on this one right away so I can get these, and I'll have to, maybe I'll use a separate bag to store all the drills in. This is not good. Ugh, okay. Stinky, stinky water. All right, I'm gonna let this one hang out for a minute and dry. This one feels okay. So let me open this one and I'll show you what it is. I bought this one for one of my best friends who loves elephants. I'm actually gonna move in with him soon. At the end of the summer-ish. And it's this cute little elephant. This baby elephant that's spraying water, but the water is all like Technicolor, rainbow, different colors. I thought it was really eye-catching. He loves elephants, he loves black and white, but then also this kind of reminded me of like, show your true colors, you know, march to the beat of your own drum. That's very much his message and what he lives by. So I thought this was perfect for him. I'm excited to do this for him. And there's other elephants in the background walking on the horizon. So I thought it was really cute. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. So there's 40 colors, I believe. 40 colors in this one. It's a full square. I mean, and it's got these vibrant, very vibrant purples. You can see that. And reds and oranges. There's gray, obviously. Ooh, there's these two really pretty colors. And then in this one, there's a lot of pinks and purples. But then I saw this. This was different. Look at how big this one is. This is number 939. Wow. 95 bags. 18,883 drills. But they gave me it in like one huge mega pack. That's a lot of drills. It's like a dark blue color. There's actually no black in this painting. You're kidding me. And there's no white. Huh. That must be just all dark blue. Now I'm kind of worried though about this because I'm worried that when I open it, all the beads, all the drills are gonna just like come right out at me. So I guess this is 95 bags worth of drills. I mean, is it safe to assume that this is what that is? How am I supposed to know if I have enough? Yeah. It's just like this gigantic bag of 939s. It's a dark blue color. Oh, there's a green in there. A rogue green. Huh. I've never had that before. Just a huge bag of one color like this. I've never had that before. So that surprised me, but they must do it by weight instead of, ooh, look at this one. Look at this like lime green, you guys. Cool. Oh yeah. That's neat. That's a 3819. There's a 3819 right there. Ooh. Look at all these colors, you guys. We got pinks, we got greens, we got lots of different shades of pinks. We got fuchsias, and this is like a, I don't know. I'm not very good at naming colors. I just kind of make up their names as I go. Blues. Wow. Wowie, wow, wow. Look at all these colors, you guys. This is amazing. I mean, I know only a little, I mean, a lot of it is colored, but I was like, oh man, you know, I'm going to be doing a lot of black and white, but there's no black and white in this seemingly all black and white picture. So, alright, I think I'll save this bag, but I think I might be able to consolidate it all into this one. Greens, purples, green, oops, red, or no, this is like a copper color. A whole lot of dark blue. Ooh, more of this vibrant red. More purples. More different kinds of blue. Some really pale yellowy color. Red. Pink. More pink. Brown. I don't know where that comes into play, but I'm excited to do this one. This is like an indigo, like a blue, purple. This one's an orange. Put that one up here. Look how colorful it is. And then I'm not going to take out all the gray. Here's a really vibrant purple too. I'm not going to take out all the gray, but as you get the idea. Here's more purple. Blue. This like Merlot deep wine color. There. And then this is like a lot of grays and a lot of blues in there. Gray blues. Wait, what is this? Oh, that's a different dark blue. All right. So, I think, oh, we got a Rogue round, I don't know if you can see that, a Rogue round drill, round brown drill. Can you see that one right there? Amongst all these pink squares. Oh, and there's one in this bag too. That's funny. Well, let's look at the canvas, I guess. I kind of forgot about that. We're already at 16 minutes in this video. I don't like to make videos super long because I know they can get a little bit tedious. So let's take a look at the canvas. I want to make sure that it's okay. I am so disappointed that that was so wet. I wonder what happened. They must have, I mean, they definitely didn't pack it right. Okay. So let's attempt to open this. So instead of rubber bands, they wrapped it in this cellophane. Okay. Seeing some crinkles. Oh, and going back to the, I got 2 kits in this one. And these are, I mean, there's bags, standard pens, tweezers, the tray with the open, the green tray with the open end, and but look, this one, the wax got cut off, and there's condensation in it, so I know that this one got wet. I mean, what the heck, you guys? Oh, it stinks. You know what? I might just throw this entire kit away. I don't even want to, like, poison my... stink up anything. Ugh, this is gross. All right, well, that is less than impressive right there. All right, so here is the canvas. It's a big one. It's a big kahuna. It is a 60 by 80. 60 by 80 covers my entire table right here. Comes in 2 papers, 2 large papers, and I do see, oh, maybe it doesn't overlap, I don't know. So what I'm going to do now is try to pick up, this is where the elephant is. So this is the bottom of the painting right here. So when I pull it up, hopefully you might be able to see. And I just put this crease in there the way because of the way I'm pulling up the canvas. I don't know, I've got like a weird crease there. All right, so then the other side. And again, the reason why I pull up the paper like this is because when I lay it back down, it's going to be nice and flat. So the canvas is going to flatten out. Oop, my shirt. It's going to flatten out really nice. All right, so there's the little elephant. He's cute. I'll try to lift him up so that you don't see so much glare. Can you see him? There he is. Oh, stuck to the table again. There's the elephant. Lots of U. I wonder what color U is. So the symbols look really nice and clear, so that's good at least. It doesn't seem to be wet anywhere, thank God. I would have been really disappointed. I don't know how it got wet. I'm in their feedback, I'm gonna say that it came and it was wet because they need to know what happened so they can package it better. So this side isn't rolling up anymore. See? But this side, look at it. It's still rolled up. But once I take this cover off and lay it back down, it won't do that anymore. And actually I'm gonna do this one first because my shirt was getting stuck to that side. So this is the top of the picture. Let's see here. All that color. And you can tell where you've already pulled it because it'll release easier. So you'll be able to tell how far you've pulled back so that you know how far to pull back. Because it's harder to pull back up here, and then once you get down here where I already, then it like releases and it pulls. So there's all that color there. Whoops. Oh dear. That's all the color at the top. So actually a lot of it does have color. I'm really excited to do this one for my bestie. I call him my work husband. He works at my preschool. He's actually a director of the before and after school program for one of the elementary schools nearby. But his office is in my building. And we just hit it off a couple years ago when he started working there, and now we're closer than two peas in a pod. So now that flattened it really nicely. See, now it's not rolling up anymore. That's a really great way to do that. I'll still put it under my bed so it can kind of chill out for a little while when I'm ready, until I'm ready to start it. I was thinking about trying to get it done by the time I move in with them in August, but we'll see. So it's a 60 by 80 full square. I'll put the, well, I don't know. I mean, this company, I mean, I don't know. I don't think it's the company's fault that it got wet. I guess, actually, you know, I think it is because they just didn't wrap it well enough. But, so I guess I will put the link to this painting in the description. And like I said, I'm going to leave them some feedback to let them know that it came wet so they can maybe change the way that they package it. So hopefully I can help other people, not, you know, to, excuse me, sorry, bless me. So I can help other people not have this, you know, avoid this problem. Because that, it was gross. It was just nasty. It stunk. I still smell it. Ugh, it's nasty. It's like old moldy garbage water, you know, like if you leave your dishes soaking in the sink too long in water, that's what that smells like. So it seems like the canvas is okay though. We didn't get damaged. The drills seem okay. I had to just dry off the bag a little bit, but they seem okay otherwise. And I'm just getting the air bubbles out because when I put it back down, some air bubbles got into it. So yeah. Anyway, that's it for this video. Sorry about all the drama, but Hope it was entertaining. And I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.